You look damn gorgeous. Is there any party that I don't know of?
Thanks, sweetheart. No, there's no party. I'm getting ready for my date. Don't I look adorable?
In every way. Is he from our office?
I'm sorry?
I asked your date. Is he from office? Someone whom I know?
Oh no, it's a blind date. What's so bad about it?
Blind date? My love, blind date are somewhat extinct. Do you know why?
Why? The danger of any one of the couple turning out to be a psycho?
In a way, yes, but not always. Though whatever the reason might be, blind dates always turn out to be epic failure, and thus it ran out of fashion years ago.
Fashions run out of fashion with time. Yet their patrons and followers exist. Whatsoever, I said it was a blind date, not a dumb date.
I don't know where are you steering our talk, but you lost me.
Priya, I've been talking to this guy online since the past 3 months. So the date is not as crippled as it seems to you.
What? You have been talking to that guy from last 3 months and you have never ever meet him in person?
No,
Just talking? Have you seen him?
only talk, no see.
Wow, 3 months of only talk, no see? So what happened now? Why meet the virtual pen pal now?
That always happens in an unnamed relationship. It gets a name. So did mine.
And may I inquire what's the name of your relationship?
It goes by the name of love. From quite some time now.
How did you fall in love with him without even meeting him? You don't know much about him. You haven't seen him. And you just fell in love with him? What are you? Estrogen high teenager?
Hey, we talked. And when you talk to someone, you get to know a lot about him. He's mature, wise, he's supportive. He has stood by my side in my most difficult times, and so I fell for him. So did he. He's a partner that I never had, yet I always wanted. And now the time has come.
Let's hope what you think comes true.
I met this guy a few months ago online. He was amazing to talk to, and I found myself falling in love with him.
And finally we unite.
But the problem is that when I finally met him in person, after 3 months of wait, after those mesmerizing online talks, I found out that his looks were not as amazing as his personality.
Henisha, you look troubled. In fact, you look troubled the entire evening. Anything that's eating you up?
No, nothing as such. Enjoying my meal.
Is this meeting the cause of your unhappiness? Did it not go as you expected you to? In that case, you can tell me. I shall make amends.
The evening's perfect. I'm loving every moment of it. Trust me. It's perfect.
Not as perfect as you are. Nowhere near you. You don't know how much happy I am upon meeting you. This is even better than what I had expected. To have a lover like you is like blessing. I love you.
I have to use the washroom. will wait. He will get saddened. Perhaps he'll cry. But in the end, he would leave. He would leave never to return. And I will always keep asking myself, am I a bad person?